Hello everyone, welcome to Selenium. Today we will see the locator By.TagName. By.TagName is used when we want to locate elements based on their HTML tag. Every element on a web page is built using tags like input, button, div, a tag, and span tag. Tag names is usually when working with group of similar elements. For example, all links or in all input fields or all buttons on a page will share the common tag name, that is input or anchor tag or button. In real automation, tag name is often used together with find elements to collect multiple elements and work with them. If you see the example, here we are finding all the input elements using find elements by tag name. When we will be checking all this list of web elements and find elements in the next upcoming series, but as we are only checking on the tag name, how we are locating the elements. So by that tag name is using input as the parameter, and this will find all the input tags which are there on that particular page, and it will send test as a input for that particular first element which is located on the page. If I run this, what it will do is Selenium locates all the input fields on the Cogmento login page using input tag. It accesses one of the first locator and it will enter the data. This shows tag name can be used to work with group of elements. And if you see, it is total found two input fields, and the first input field is by.tagname, and we have entered the text. For the second element, we did not write the code, so it did not enter any text. So this shows that tagname can be used to work with group of elements. By.tagname is useful when working with multiple similar elements. In the next video, we will see by.linkText locator. Thank you.